Never mind, they can stay on the floor. Right, I'm out with the Deus one. I'm on a new beach. It's called Newgale Beach. I've been here before, but not since 1989. So showing my age a bit. There you go, sand. I think the tide might be coming in. I'm not too sure. I haven't looked at the tides, but then again, it's a big enough beach. Bear with me. If we find something, then brilliant. But there was 3 detectorists down here before I got here. So hopefully they've left me something. Enjoy, see you at the first hole. Right, I don't know which way round I go, I'm getting a 70 solid. So let's have a little dig. It's out anyway, whatever it is. I would have thought 20 pence, something like that, but I just don't know with the beaches at the moment. No, just a bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. First target. Oh, and it's got a number on it as well, some lettering. But the first target of the beach, half an hour in. It's a very, very clean beach. Congratulations to Pembrokeshire County Council. Your beaches are immaculate. If I can move any of this. As you can see, I'm in the overspill. That's an 88, 87, 88 down there. So it looks like I'm going to get cold hands. There. Just there. That's a lid. Just a lid. Or the base of a can, I should say. There you go. Well, I don't really have to dig this one, do I? It's just sitting on the surface. Just a bit of tin can. And that line there is where someone else has been down here. Not that it really matters. Right, 84 to 86. Let's see. Right, it's out anyway, whatever it is. Probably a bit of foil now, my luck. No, just a bit of aluminium, I think. Just an aluminium ball. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. Well, we have 4 targets. Right, now I've got my microphone back up and running. I've got a 58. Quite rough sounding. We've got a 58 anyway. I saw something then. Might be in a shell. Oh, it's a shell. Maybe. Oh no, there is something there. Got a 5p piece. 5p. Been there very long, I don't think. But there you go, 5p piece. Probably the same person. There's a 72 there. There's my last hole where the 5p was. 72. It's normally a 20p piece, I think, if I remember rightly. It's got to be in it. 20p, 10p, 20. I think it's 20p. Yeah, there it is there. Got to be the same person. Probably had a morning swim. There you go, 20p piece. I don't think it's going to kick in. Anyway, it's a Johnny Walker lid. Come up as an 86, 87. Very similar to a pound coin. There you go. Microphone's kicked in, but it's not kicked in on the screen. I'm not going to bother anyway. Just to show you. There it is down there. I've got an 86, 87. And we got a pound coin. We got a pound coin. Up on the rocks. 84 going up to an 89. That's a bottle lid, that's fine. Just a bottle cap. I apologise for any wind noise, but yeah, just a bottle cap. That was 66. Let's just put you on there. 66. And we've got a 50p. 50p please. So I do apologise if the wind's affecting this. My microphone won't kick in. There you go. I've got the 50p from there. I've got an 89.90. Oh, it's okay. It's a bottle cap. Just a bottle cap. 89.90. Hurting my knees. Look, not a pound. Not a pound. That's it. No, can't get to it. Just there. Another pound. My finds for today. of a light bulb. That's an 86 on the surface. Is it a fish? Oh, I thought it was a fishing rod eye. It's not. Looks like a ring actually. Yeah, it looks like a ring. A little bit of a weird one, but I think that's definitely a ring rather than a fishing eye. So there you go. It's not gold. It's just tack really. But this is an evening session, which will be added on to the other beach one, because obviously tide's high. So I'm having to do the shingle. So yeah, got myself a little ring. Can't be bad. Just a bottle lid. Just a bottle lid. Get it out. Yeah, just a bottle lid. I don't own a Mercedes, but I've got a Mercedes keyring. There you go. My finds for today. Just all the crap. That one was on the surface that you saw, and then over here we've got £2.75. Can't moan, not bad. I was out for a couple of hours, and to be fair, the beach at Newgale is very, very clean. Very, very limited signals, so very impressed. Well done. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully see you at the next one. Goodbye.